Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos 2. So be sure to go across there, give me some support, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today I'm going to show you another method in making cocoa tea. Some time ago I did a video and I showed you how to use the cocoa balls. This time I'll be using the cocoa powder and of course the different spices that I like to add to it in order to jazz it up a bit. I think you're going to enjoy this one, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is put 2 cups of water in our pan to boil. Well, actually we don't need to wait for it to boil. We put out 2 cups of water in our pan, and now I'm going to put, so I'm using cocoa powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. So this is 1, 2. So stir that around a bit. Right. To this now, I'm gonna, to jazz it up a bit, I'm gonna add a piece of orange peel. I'm gonna add 1 stick of cinnamon. I'm going to add a bay leaf. I'm going to add 1 green cardamom. Now what I did with the cardamom, I sort of crushed the outer shell. So maybe you can take like, if you put it on a plate, you can take a spoon and just crush it so that it kind of cracks open a bit. Just make sure that that I get it to open, because I want the flavor. The seeds are inside and that's where the flavor is. So I sort of, I don't know if you can see this, but anyway. So I put 1 green cardamom in. I'm also going to grate a little nutmeg. Nutmeg is something you don't use much of it. You just use a little. Okay, I'm also going to put, because remember we're jazzing up this cocoa tea, right? So I'm also going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of Angostura bitters. There you go. All right, so we're going to just stir everything now, and we're going to leave this to come up to a boil, so that we can extract all those flavors from all the spices that we put in. Okay, so now that our cocoa has come up to a boil and it has been on a rolling boil for about a minute, I'm now going to turn it off and just allow it to steep for a few more minutes. In that way the flavors from the spices get to seep in. Actually, you know what guys, there was something I was supposed to add to this that I forgot. Maybe I will add it now, so when as it is steeping, it will extract some of the flavor in it, and that is whole cloves. So I'm going to drop in about 4 whole cloves and allow it to steep for a while. All right, so here I have some 4 whole cloves here. I'm just going to drop that in, and we will just allow that to steep. All right, so in sweetening your cocoa tea, it is up to you how you want to sweeten it. So for example, if you want to use condensed milk, or if you want to use honey to sweeten it, you can do that. If you want to use sugar to sweeten it, you can do that. So it's up to you, but it is a really nice beverage to have. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make my cocoa tea using the powder and the different spices. And I hope to see you in my next video.